We are the most sustainable agriculture on the planet. In half a century, Brazil left the food importer to major exporter, feeding 1 billion people worldwide. Supercrops, almost 500 million tons of grain, 214 million head of cattle, 5.7 billion poultry, 37 million pigs. Agribusiness accounts for almost a quarter of gross domestic product and almost half of national exports. 1 in 3 jobs comes from agribusiness. Brazil uses 9% of its land for agriculture, and 21.2% for livestock, just over 30% of the Brazilian territory to produce food. We have 66% of the Brazilian territory preserved. Only farmers preserve 25.6% of Brazil. Brazil has 97% of the planet's biodiversity. Brazil has $2 trillion consolidated in the service of preserving the planet. We have the equivalent of 15 years of American industrial production in carbon stock, playing a key role in climate change mitigation. In 2030 we will have 1 billion more people in the world, according to the United Nations. Brazil knows its responsibility in environmental preservation and food security of the planet. We have the potential to double our production using the same current area. We want to leave 7% to 10% of the global export market. The Ministry of Agriculture has simplified standards and processes. Less bureaucracy to be more competitive internationally. And he led a pact for integrity in the Brazilian agricultural sector. The world grows and is in a hurry. We have land and water, technology, quality and the strength of the rural producer who are the foundations of safe and sustainable food for Brazil and the world. Brazil does its part. We have the most comprehensive environmental legislation on the planet, and we want the world to recognize this effort.